Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a performance report on the Crusher built single 3-500 ZG box. This unit houses one new single 3-500 ZG. We've got fan, high voltage. This is basically your standby where it says key. And yes, for you sidebanders, there's a sideband delay. Today we're going to just be showing it running with a 2995 DXCF set up by myself. We've set it up for the customer so that with the RF power down, it's ideal to run with the amplifier on AM and sideband. And then when he decides to run just the radio, he has full adjustability anywhere he wants to go. Start by turning the fan on. Then we're going to flip the high voltage on, and you're going to notice the soft start and the delay. There we go. We're sitting around 3200 plate bolts, 3300. I'm going to work a 500 watt slug in average, 5000 in peak. You'll see why here in just a second. Put the key up. So we're keying about 175, audio, 1, 2, on 2, audio, about 450 bird average, 5000 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, audio, 1, 2, 3. That's actually going a hair over 1500, about 1550. And we'll show you what's going on here, how much current it's drawing. About 250 mils on the key, 1, 2, 1, 2, hello. And just a shade over 400 mils under load. Hello, 1, 2. It's going over to the sideband. Make sure you turn the delay on. 5000 watt slug, PEP. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, audio, 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 audio. So we're sitting about 1100 right there, which is fine because if you'll watch the average power here, 500 watt slug. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 500 bird in the corner. Let's just turn this on average here. Pull the slug out. We'll put the 1000 watt slug in. Let's start some nice average numbers here on sideband. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, hello, audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, audio. So a little bit over 800 bird right there on sideband. I think this will make someone a very nice unit. We've got these in and out new builds from time to time. If it's something you're interested, just give us a shout at www.truckscbsales.com, or you can simply email me at truckscbsales@gmail.com. Enjoy the video and have a good evening. Bump bump.